Welcome to Self-Growth Stories, where every story inspires you to learn, grow, and believe in yourself. Motivation didn't change my life. Consistency did. In 2026, I stopped waiting to feel ready and started showing up anyway. For a long time, I waited for motivation. I thought I needed to feel inspired before I started. But motivation was unreliable. Some days it showed up. Most days it didn't. In 2026, I learned something different. Consistency didn't come with excitement. It came quietly. It looked like showing up when no one was watching, doing the work even when it felt boring, continuing even when progress was invisible. I realized motivation starts the journey, but consistency finishes it. Some days I did very little. Other days I felt tired and questioned myself. But I stopped quitting on the days that felt ordinary. Because ordinary days repeated create extraordinary change. I stopped asking, "Do I feel like it?" and started asking, "Who do I want to become?" Consistency taught me discipline. Not harsh discipline, but gentle commitment. I learned that missing one day doesn't mean failure. Quitting does. So I kept going. Slowly, quietly, without applause. Over time, something shifted. I trusted myself more. Not because I was perfect, but because I kept my promises to myself. Confidence didn't come from big wins. It came from small habits kept daily. So if you're waiting for motivation, start anyway. Show up tired. Show up unsure. Just show up. Because maybe 2026 isn't the year you felt ready, but the year consistency quietly changed your life. You don't need to do everything today. You just need to do something and do it again tomorrow. Consistency will take you where motivation never could.